Hello students, welcome to this online class. Today we are going to talk about chapter number 6 under unit number 1. The title for this chapter is Expectations from an English Teacher. Today we will discuss about the qualities that makes a great teacher. What are the roles of a teacher? We will discuss about the main role of teacher that all the people expected from teacher. The role of teacher. Teacher plays an important role in the life of students. Teacher can change whole life of a student. Teacher plays a role of controller, organizer, participant, assessor, promoter, resource, tutor, observer. First one, the teacher as controller. Teacher plays an important role like controller. Teacher controls the whole activities that organized in classroom. A teacher decide what to teach, how to teach, and with what teaching aids what to teach. Teacher in charge of the class and of the activity. Teacher takes always charge of whole class and plan of activities and plan and decide to organize activities. Teacher fronted classroom. Always teacher remain in front of classroom and lead whole class. Teacher plays an important role of guide. All attention is focused on the front of the class because teacher plays an important role. That's why as a main leader of the classroom, teacher, all students focused towards teacher. All students work at the same beat because of teacher. Because teacher gives direction to all students equally, that's why all students work at the same beat. Teachers do most of the talking because of main and lead role in classroom. Teacher plays main role and mostly teacher talks in classroom and students follow the instructions of given by teacher. It is vital that control be relaxed if the students are to be allowed a chance to learn. Next, the teacher as organizer. As we all know, the teacher organize various activities in school. Teacher organize various activities in classroom also. He plans activities for better learning of students. He plans activities according to interest and need of the students. He engages students towards their learning and take initiative. A teacher instructs and direct students to do something and get feedback from students and check the achievement of the students. That's why we can say teacher plays an important role of organizer. Then organizer, the role of organizer, he firstly plan to execute the activity. He plan that what to teach, what activities are to be teach, and then give instructions to students and organize whole activity. Then after organizing activity, he get feedback from students, and then after feedback he decide how much they achieve and what are the changes needed in their learning. The teacher as participant. Teacher plays an important role because all students participate in activities. If a teacher participate in activities with students, then students can feel easy and motivated. Teacher should participate with students. That's why students will enjoy having the teacher with them, and achievements will also be high. after joining teacher. Teachers stand back from the activity and they let their learners to get on with it. Feedback, correct mistakes. Teacher get feedback and then correct the mistakes done by students. It can be enjoyable if teacher participates like this image with students, then the whole situation can be enjoyable and looks enjoyable. The teacher as assessor. As we all know that teacher works as a teacher and also as an evaluator. A teacher should be able to offer feedback, give correction and grade students in various ways. After teaching and completion of teaching task, teacher have to assess students and teacher should assess students what they learn, what they receive about teaching, from teaching, and teachers should check the level of knowledge of students, and that is possible through feedback. And feedback, there are many sources to get feedback, like written test of students, and there are various tools of written test, like short answer type questions, essay type questions, multiple choice questions, objective type questions, one line questions, and true and false questions. And then we have also practical examinations, experiments, then oral test also. So there are these are all the various tools of feedback and to judgment of assessment of students. So a teacher should master over these tools. After getting feedback from students, teacher can check the achievement of students, and he can decide what corrections are needed there and what grades should be given to them. A teacher plays an important role of promoter. The teacher as promoter. Teacher should be able to motivate their students. If teacher do same, then students feel happy. Students, if teacher motivate their students, then the achievements will definitely be high. Students can get their goals. So teacher should play a role of motivator, encourage students creativity. Teacher should encourage students creativity because all the students have some specific qualities, some specific creativity. So teacher should motivate their students to do something, to do whatever they want to do, and teacher should encourage students. Teacher need to do it sensitively and encouragingly. Then the teacher as resource. As we all know that in school and in classroom, students prefer a teacher as the learning, as the source of knowledge. Teacher teacher want to be helpful and available. Teacher should be helpful and should be available for students about their queries and for their queries. Teachers answer to some questions from the students. Teacher should answer the question of students, and that is the most important quality of a good teacher. Teacher can be one of the most important resources students have when they ask how to say or write something, want to know what a word or phrase means. So teacher should provide all the knowledge that students want from them. The teacher as tutor. Teacher working with individuals or small group, that plays very important role in the life of students. A teacher should play their role individually with students. They should ask students individually about their needs, about their what they want to, what help they want to, from teacher. always teacher should ask from students individually, then students will free to ask teacher. So that's why the achievement of students will definitely be high. Teacher will allow more personal contact and real chance for feel supported and help. Teacher will allow more personal contact and real chance to students for feel supported and help. That is basic quality of a teacher. It combines the roles of promoter and organizer. Teacher are advisors for students. The classroom's atmosphere is greatly enhanced when teacher plays a role of tutor. The teachers as observer. Be alert at all times to the effects of our actions and students' interactions. Through constantly observing and questioning our procedures and looking out for what leads to successfully learning and what does not, we can develop as teachers. So, teacher should play their role like an observer, because by observing a teacher can assess all the working of students. Which role? Teachers need to be able to switch between the various roles, judging when it is appropriate to use one or the other. Teacher need to be aware or how they carry out the selective role and how they perform it. So teacher need to able switch various roles. Teacher should play their roles as per the situation, as per the need of students, as per the interest of the students. That's why students can do their well. Expectations for teachers. We expect that teacher should be approachable. Students, he should be approachable to students. Friendly nature. A teacher should be friendly with students. Students should ask easily and feel free to contact with their teacher. So that will be most important quality in teacher. We can say teacher should be friendly. Flexible. The nature of teacher should be flexible towards students. Flexibility is very valuable, so teacher should be flexible towards all students. Fair but firm. A teacher should play their role fairly, without any partiality, like a democratic way. Teacher should treat all the students democratically. Well prepared. Teachers should well prepared before their teaching and working. So when teacher teaches their students, they should be master over their content, over their subject. Inclusive, that is sensitive to individual needs. A teacher should be sensitive about individual needs. He should be respectful about needs of students. Respectful. Teachers should give respect to all the learners. Because there are various differences in classroom. In every classroom, there are individual differences. So teachers should give respect to all the learners of available in classroom. Encouraging. We all expect that teacher should be encourageable. Teacher should encourage their students, and teacher should motivate their students. And then resourceful, explain and offer rational. A teacher should be resourceful for students and should explain everything in front of students. So these all are some qualities that we all expect from an English teacher, and we all know that teacher plays an important role in the life of students. A teacher has power to change the whole life of students, the whole learning style of the students. He can impact over their achievement. So all these qualities should be inculcated in the behavior of a teacher. That's all about this topic. Thank you.